Welcome to Sargent, Texas, a hidden gem on the Texas Gulf Coast where nature's beauty meets affordable coastal living. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping the shore, casting a line into the rich fishing waters, and enjoying serene sunsets over the Intercoastal Waterway. Sargent offers all this and more, making it the perfect place to build your dream home. Sargent is renowned for its world-class fishing opportunities. With easy access to the Gulf of Mexico, the Intercoastal Waterway, and Matagorda Bay, anglers of all skill levels can enjoy a variety of fishing experiences. Participate in local fishing tournaments or spend a relaxing day on the water catching redfish, trout, and flounder. Sargent's natural surroundings provide endless adventures for those who prefer other outdoor activities. Kayak through tranquil waters, explore the diverse bird life, or take a stroll along pristine beaches. The area's mild climate ensures that you can enjoy outdoor recreation year-round. The Gulf of Mexico's stunning coastline is at your doorstep in Sargent. Whether you're looking to build a vacation retreat or a permanent residence, you'll find that Sargent offers the perfect blend of scenic beauty and coastal charm. The beach is just minutes away, allowing you to bask in the sun, collect seashells, or enjoy water sports. One of Sargent's most appealing features is its affordability. Compared to other coastal towns, property costs in Sargent are remarkably low, making it an attractive option for those looking to invest in a coastal property without breaking the bank. Sargent embodies the spirit of small-town living. Here you'll find a close-knit community where neighbors know each other by name, local businesses thrive, and community events unite everyone. It's the ideal place to escape the hustle and bustle of big city life and enjoy a more relaxed, friendly environment. Safety and security are paramount in Sargent. Efforts like the granite breakwater revetment installed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers help protect the area from coastal erosion and storm surges, providing peace of mind for homeowners. The community's low crime rate and welcoming atmosphere make it a safe haven for families and retirees alike. In Sargent, Texas, the reserve at Caney Creek Haven offers the perfect blend of natural beauty, world-class fishing, and outdoor recreation, all within a welcoming small-town atmosphere. With affordable property prices and a safe, close-knit community, it's the ideal place to build your dream home. Embrace coastal living at its finest, where every day feels like a vacation. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this coastal paradise. Contact us today to start building your dream home at the Reserve at Caney Creek Haven and experience the unparalleled charm and tranquility of Sargent, Texas. Contact us today.